Another law of deductive reasoning is the law of syllogism. The law of syllogism allows you to state a conclusion from two true conditional statements when the conclusion of one statement is the hypothesis of the other statement. Take note, property, the law of syllogism. In symbols, the law can be stated if P implies Q is true and Q implies R is true, then P implies R is true. Note this final statement, the conditional P implies R, skips Q. For example, if it is July, then you are on summer vacation. And if you are on summer vacation, then you work at a smoothie shop. From these two, you can conclude, if it is July, then you work at a smoothie shop. Problem 2. Using the law of syllogism, what can you conclude from the given information? A. Given, if a figure is a square, then the figure is a rectangle. And if a figure is a rectangle, then the figure has 4 sides. So our statements, if a figure is a square, then the figure is a rectangle, and if a figure is a rectangle, then the figure has 4 sides, are related so that we can use the law of syllogism. Note that the conclusion of the first statement is the hypothesis of the second statement. So you can conclude, using the law of syllogism, that if a figure is a square, then the figure has 4 sides. Part B. Given, if you do gymnastics, then you are flexible. And if you do ballet, then you are flexible. So our statements, if you do gymnastics, then you are flexible. And if you do ballet, then you are flexible. The statements have the same conclusion. Neither conclusion is the hypothesis of the other statement. So you cannot use the law of syllogism. You cannot make a conclusion. Your turn. What can you conclude from the given information? What is your reasoning? Part A. If a whole number ends in 0, then it is divisible by 10. And if a whole number is divisible by 10, then it is divisible by 5. Part B. If ray AB and ray AD are opposite rays, then the two rays form a straight angle. And if two rays are opposite rays, then the two rays form a straight angle.